Yeah, alright, so what's up guys, welcome back to another video guys. So guys, today in this video, we are gonna try to get the jackpot 100,000 coins. We're gonna double it up. Well, we don't really need to, guys, guys, keep this in mind, I'm already a millionaire. Well, 100,000 there, I guess. Yeah, I have like 462,000, but whatever, fuck it guys, I could just keep on doing anything just to do it for you guys, super servers, because yeah, I'm a fucking beast. I'm not a super fucking beast, but if I ever go beast mode, yeah, it's not okay. But I'm super good at this. For me, I don't. I have skill. I still have skill on super servers. Who's just gonna try to get this, and guys, just don't worry about me. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and like this video if you haven't already. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of try. Never mind. But guys, if you're right here, I'm just gonna keep on doing this. So let's see. Let's go to view prizes. Get a key, super boosters, trophies, 5,000 coins. That's a rare special. It starts up to 10 boards, up to 2,500 coins. The commons are the hat, the guitar, the alien thing, and fucking that thing. I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna keep on doing this. I'm trying to make it so the video speeds up right now. I'm sorry guys, we're not getting anything good. It's great. Guys, I swear I don't know what it's taking longer, I guess. I guess we're probably gonna do this until then. I don't know. it's gonna be until like 5 years from now. It should take like 5 more years, guys. 5 more years, guys. Don't worry, just keep on watching my videos. 10 hours later. I don't want to do this later. Thank you guys. We're not getting anything lucky. Well, we're not. Guys, I'm not gonna double up until I get the thing. Yes, guys. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I just got this, which is really good. Got a new trophy, classic clock, collection, and the award menu. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna. No, I don't. Okay, I don't care about the video, but oh my gosh, guys, we just got that. Oh, that's so dope. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna keep on hitting the box until I get something lucky. Okay, got 1,500. Not bad, I guess. Not getting anything lucky, guys. So far, that medal was the only thing lucky that we have got. And because I have a feeling that we're never actually just gonna get the OP jackpot, guys. We're never gonna probably get it, guys. Sucks. Next thing I know, it just gives me it nuts, guys. But just keep in mind, it's just never gonna give me that. I keep on getting this shit. What the frick? Okay, even though I could have the character, you guys actually know I'm pretty much a millionaire in this. Well, pretty much. Because, I could just, guys, tell me if you guys want me to actually delete this game and restart all over again, guys. Tell me if you guys want me to do that, and I'll do it. I don't know, guys. I'd be happy to do it. I'll show you guys. Okay, just getting this. If I get 3 more of these, it's okay. At least I could unlock a brand new character and shit. I need it 2 more times only. It's like the game is like, nah, we won't give it to you no more. Loading ad. Okay, alright. I'll be right back once it's finished the ad. So you guys, we just unlocked this piece of trash. Go, but guys, as I said, we're never gonna get it. Okay, we got the 5,000, which I guess is rare, and that's rare. I'm pretty sure that, yeah, this is not rare. But we're never gonna get the jackpot, or at least, as you might call it, the mega jackpot. People are hoping I really get it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I could actually just keep on buying myself everything pretty much, but I'd rather not, and I actually did that, so yeah. Sorry about this. Sorry that I keep on tapping, guys. It's just that I'm just trying to do this quick because I don't want to waste a bunch of y'all's time on this. but I'm wasting my time for you guys. So I'm gonna end the video once it's 12 minutes in. So yeah, we're just gonna. The last thing I'm gonna do once it reaches 12 minutes, I am going to upgrade the character fully that we just unlocked. Actually, no, guys. Speaking of it, let's just do it now because we won't get anything that's good. So let's press stop to continue. Let's back out. Let's go to me, guys. Here we go. Let's just buy this piece of shit stuff. I guess I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna guess. I mostly like this shit. Okay, yeah. You're hearing me right. But actually, no, guys, that's all it for today's video because I don't want to waste you all time. But just make sure to like and subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications. Yeah, but I'm just gonna end the video right here. But with that being said, guys, that's all it for today's video, and peace. So sorry about that, guys. With that being said, yeah, peace. Actually, yeah. Fuck it, yeah, no.